thank you very much for your interest in our methodology. Hola, I'm Ana. I have more than 10 years of experience teaching Spanish, and I have created my own methodology that is just focused on communication to use in a practical way our language. So I will explain you a bit about our methodology. It's focused in 3 keys. First key is visual learning. You will learn in a visual and natural way. We are not using another language, we are just using Spanish. And you will learn very easy and naturally with visual way. For example, naranja, manzana, feliz, triste. The second key is to be very simple. We have simplified all the content in Spanish to give you just what you need to start speaking from the first week. Some pieces of content that will help you to start speaking from the first session with the teacher. And the third key, of course, is to talk from the first week. So you have one lesson with the teacher every week, and you will be able to practice what you have learned already. So we are breaking this barrier between knowledge that you have already learned and your tongue, your communication. And you will see the progress week by week in your communication. So what we have proved with more than 700 students that have passed through our methodology is that learning and speaking Spanish is not difficult if you know how to do it. But this is not all. In SoyGuri, in our school, we are working with refugees in Malaga, in the south of Spain. We are giving them our methodology to learn Spanish in a very practical way. So they can be integrated and they can work in our city. This is our main mission and we want you to be part of it. By learning Spanish with us, you can help us to give a better service to them and to give more and more lessons to more and more people. We are using 15% of the profits of each course to give more service and more quality in our service for the refugees in Malaga. So thank you very much for your attention. I will give you all the information in the email to start being part of our school and of our mission. Bye bye, adios!